Hello everyone, this is my review of the Elk Antler Chew. This is for your dogs to chew on instead of your furniture and everything else in your house. Dogs really like it. I'll show you how my dog likes it later. It's pretty hard. It kind of feels like bone. I guess it is bone since it's made of antler, but yeah, it's pretty hard and it's very durable. It will last a long time, and the dog seems to really like it. Let me show you that. From the first time I gave this little girl this, she was in love with it. She just takes it, and now she's so happy she don't know what to do with herself. Keep going around in circles. Then she's gonna chew on it a little bit, and then she's gonna get up, go around again, and chew on it a little bit and turn around again. It's like I don't know what to do. I'm so happy. But yeah, it's a pretty good chew toy, and I believe your dog will like it, and I hope this review helps.